On a clear night, visualize gazing up at the sky and observing all the lovely stars glittering there. Betelgeuse, a star-famous star, is one among them. Look to the Arion constellation if you wish to see her. Betelgeuse is seen as a reddish-orange dot on the shoulder of what appears to be an archer who is clutching a bow. It's difficult to overlook because it's one of the brightest stars in the sky. Betelgeuse is not your typical star. It's 1,000 times bigger than our Sun, so that's a start. That is imaginable. It would swallow up all the inner planets, including Earth, if we could somehow replace our Sun with Betelgeuse. And now for a fun fact. Betelgeuse represents a window into the past for us, and you did hear me. The light we see today really departed Betelgeuse 600 light-years ago, since it is only around 600 light-years distant. It has a very lengthy history. For millions of years, this star has been blazing a brilliant light. The first people to observe Betelgeuse in the sky were the ancient Sumerians, long before cell phones and telescopes. And she's been a diva the entire time. For instance, Betelgeuse rose to prominence as one among the night sky's brightest stars in 1866. People were able to see it even during the day because it was so brilliant. This unique occurrence was documented by astronomers from all across the world. Since then, Betelgeuse has joined us in a game of hide and seek. It all began in 2019 when Betelgeuse started to fade. Since then, it has occasionally been brighter or darker. These variations in brightness provide significant information to us. Betelgeuse has always been more restless, as we've previously stated. It leads a hectic existence. It consumes its fuel extremely quickly as a result. Betelgeuse is close to reaching the end of its life cycle, according to changes in the brightness of the star. The drama increased when the Gobble Space Telescope captured breathtaking photographs of Betelgeuse appearing to be about to erupt. Scientists believe that the star is about to make a spectacular retirement due to all of this. It's going supernova shortly. Imagine a star that is driven by the fusion of hydrogen atoms having a good time at a party. It's like an energy drink for the star, but just like at any party, when the drinks run out, the fun really starts. The star steadily empties itself as its hydrogen fuel runs exhausted. It is no longer able to support itself. Then comes the big finish. This conclusion is known as a supernova. Like a balloon that is losing air, the star falls. It experiences extreme increases in temperature and pressure. A huge explosion results from this heavenly panic. You now understand that viewing Betelgeuse is like to sitting front and center for an exciting play. But now for the crucial query. When will it occur? You cannot set a timer on the solution since it is not that easy. Both Betelgeuse and stars have their own schedules for living. The explosion can occur right now or hundreds of years from now. Only a preliminary estimate has been provided by scientists. Betelgeuse is predicted to undergo a supernova during the next 100,000 years. That is a large spread, don't you think? Although to us humans it may seem like an eternity, on the size of the cosmos it is only a moment. Additionally, there is a minuscule possibility that Betelgeuse might shock us all by going supernova much sooner. We may be in for a show over the next several hundred years given the changes in brightness. We only need to wait and see. What happens then if Betelgeuse does blow up? Friends, be ready for a historically unique display. A star's self-inflicted demise ignites cosmic pyrotechnics of colossal proportions. The star emits an enormous quantity of energy as heat and light. The Betelgeuse supernova will stand out amid other supernovae, almost like a celebrity. It will beg for light and blaze brighter than any other star in the sky. There will be no need for a telescope to view the event since it will be so brilliant. It will be visible to the unaided eye. Even when Betelgeuse is visible during the day, the sky appears to be throwing the best party ever. We'll enjoy watching the supernova for weeks. It will appear in the sky as a second moon that shines exactly as brightly as the first. Think of two moons dancing side by side in the darkness. Betelgeuse will gradually lose its night sky brilliance after a few weeks, but it will leave behind a memento. Supernova is the remnant. It like a vanishing recollection of a legendary performance. Over the coming months, this relic will likewise gradually disappear, but it won't end with the light show. We can already feel the strong shock waves that the explosion will produce here on Earth. It seems as though the cosmos is gently tapping us on the shoulder to alert us to an amazing sight. How risky would that be for us? However, we are aware that Betelgeuse, the supernova, will release gas and dust into space. It like a great cosmic sneeze, and single sneeze may result in a dip in the Earth's temperature. It's possible that there will be significant climatic change, even a little ice age, but that's only a guess. If the implications were to actually be so severe, we are unsure. However, it goes without saying that we should be ready in case. Because of this, researchers are intensively scrutinizing Betelgeuse. Astronomers like both serious scientific inquiry and cosmic humor. There are jokes being made left and right, and you can even check out someone operating an account for Betelgeuse. You can see that the celebrity is keeping us on our toes as a result. Astronomers are observing it, and they require our assistance. They want us to monitor Betelgeuse and let them know if anything changes. How do we go about doing that? Take a look at Betelgeuse to bring out your inner astronomer. Note what you notice as you look at the star. Is it twinkling? Is it shining? Or does it seem dark? Note everything down. Then succeed and inform astronomers about your findings. They can use your observation to determine how Betelgeuse evolved into a supernova. Additionally, you can participate in various science projects. These are simple to do and a lot of fun. You may take part in the Betelgeuse Brightness Monitor project, which is a fun activity. By participating, you will assist scientists in tracking Betelgeuse's brightness. Your gift could have an impact. Join the group of watchers then. You'll be a part of something incredible, and who knows, maybe your observations may enable forecasting of Betelgeuse's supernova spectacular display time. By doing this, we will aid researchers in their observation of the superstar and exploration of the fascinating universe of stars. You can aid scientists in event prediction by doing this, but how do you get ready for it personally? To begin with, you'll need the appropriate tools to monitor all the supernova activity. Your front row seat to the stellar display will be provided by a dependable telescope. You'll be able to get a close-up view of Betelgeuse using it. Also keep in mind that you'll need specialized eyewear to shield your eyes from the powerful flash of light. Security first. Prepare as well, of course, in case the weather becomes nasty. Purchase things like warm clothing in advance. There will actually be a tiny ice age all of a sudden, but let's hope it stays that way. So guys, keep an eye on the night sky. Although Betelgeuse has not yet reached the point of explosion, the event will be spectacular to witness. Enjoy the sparkling stars while you wait, and keep in mind that something strange is always occurring in the expanse of space.